How to change document root in cPanel. This is a step-by-step video so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now first things first, you want to head over to your cPanel account, and once inside, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you came across the domains category. Now once inside domains, you want to go ahead and click on domains option right here. Wait for the page to load in, and now we will be taken to this page right here. Once inside, you want to head over to the document root, and from here we can then go ahead and see a pencil icon right beside the document root right here. You can just go ahead and click on it, and from there you will be able to edit the document root on your cPanel. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.